Once upon a time, the sun was shining brightly in the sky. All the people on Earth were living happily until one morning when the sun didn't rise. That's right, the sun was nowhere to be found. What happened to it? Let's find out in today's story. Hi friends, welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most amazing stories about everyone's favorite superheroes. In today's story, we'll be telling you an epic tale of the Avengers and how they solved the mystery of the stolen sun. It was dawn, but people all over the world woke up to endless night. Crops began to wither, animals grew restless, and fear spread across the globe. This was a disaster of unimaginable proportions. Crops would fail. People would panic. Would anyone save them from this doom? Thankfully, the Avengers were on the job. They all met at their tower. Iron Man ran solar scans. Black Widow studied strange signals, and Thor sensed unnatural magic. Soon, they discovered the cause of the problem. A villain called Umbra, a shadow being from another dimension, had stolen the sun and trapped its energy in a dark crystal high above the earth. Only he could have done such a thing. And now the world was suffering because of it. The Avengers were not going to stand for it. They split into teams to take on this terrible foe. Iron Man and Captain Marvel soared into space, shooting through the cosmos toward the dark crystal. Thor and Hulk stayed behind, preparing to shatter its shield of shadow. Meanwhile, Black Widow and Hawkeye tracked Umbra's movements on Earth, hoping to weaken his hold there. As Iron Man flew, he told Captain Marvel, "I can't believe someone actually stole the sun. But don't worry, we'll get it back." Captain Marvel nodded, her eyes fixed on the fading light in the distance. They had to hurry. Soon, they reached the crystal and sent a message to the others. "We're here. The crystal is guarded by waves of shadows. How do we break through?" Just then, Thor arrived, his hammer glowing with lightning. He handed it to Hulk and said, "Hurl me like a hammer, my friend. Let my lightning charge strike the heart of this shadow." Hulk nodded and threw him with all his might. At the same moment, Iron Man and Captain Marvel blasted the crystal at the same time. Thor's hammer struck the crystal and exploded with a deafening roar. Light burst across the darkness, banishing the shadows and restoring the sun to its rightful place in the sky. The Avengers had won. Umbra screamed in rage. "Light is fragile, but you cannot stop the coming darkness. Soon the whole world will bow to my power." But the Avengers were too strong. Working together, they defeated Umbra and saved the day. The sun rose again, shining brighter than ever. People all around the world cheered as the sun returned to the sky. They knew they had the Avengers to thank for saving their world. The Avengers reminded them that even in the darkest moments, teamwork could bring back the light. And so, the sun continued to shine brightly in the sky, warming the earth and making plants grow. The animals came out of their hiding holes, chirping and singing happily. People waved at the sun as if thanking it for coming back. Everyone was happy. And that's the end of our story. If you liked this story, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. We've got many more exciting stories to tell you, so stay tuned. Until next time, goodbye.